So, few days back my exam got postponed the sixth time. But this time I was really frustrated and tired studying the same from last 10 months. So I decided to take few days off from studies as I was on my final revision. So I woke up around 5:30 am, got fresh, used my washroom, made myself a cup of tea and then spent some time watching Logan Paul's video while having tea. Around 6:15 I was ready to go out. While reaching for the trek, I saw orange sun between the buildings and rushed towards the sunrise, but the weather suddenly changed and became cloudy. There was no sign of sun, so I left hope and enjoyed the weather, spending quality time up there. After some time, I made it back home. I was really tired and full of sweat because I haven't walked this much in last 6 months. Then I had a hot shower, which was the current need. After that, I enjoyed my breakfast scrolling YouTube for God knows how much time. After that, I stepped out and watered my plants and succulent propagation. After having another cup of tea with family, I then returned to my room to make a video for Unacademy, who are also the sponsor for this video. Unacademy is hosting special free class carnival for CA Foundation and IPCC on 17th and 18th October. This weekend carnival will have free MCQ championship. That's not it. The first performer will get 1000 rupees Amazon gift voucher and the second performer will get 500 rupees Amazon gift voucher. Also, Unacademy is introducing target batch for CA Foundation May 21 attempt, which will be live from 19th October. You can attend their free exclusive webinar to interact with the top educator. Check the link in the description for more details. After that, I had a heavy lunch with family and took a tight sleep. Around 6 pm, I woke up, had a cup of coffee, replying to your comments for another half hour. Then I spent time wrapping my study table to matte white. I thought it would be easy, but it wasn't. wasting 1.5 hours of time. I had dinner with my family and again sat back watching YouTube on laptop as I have uninstalled YouTube from my phone. Suddenly, light went off and I could not shoot anything and directly went to my bed as my whole body was paining badly.